Hey everybody, I'm going to quickly go over week 6 to make sure there's hopefully no questions, but also so that you understand that though the assignment is new, it still includes previous from each week's so that we can see your progression. Okay, again, subscribe if you haven't already so that you always get notified whenever I put the play alongs up. I know I do send a remind out, but if for some reason you don't get it or you move the notification, at least you'll get the notification from YouTube. Every day you should be going through your routine. Every single day I should be seeing those video views go up. I should be seeing the time that you've been on there, and this is our way of tracking it. So make sure you're going through the routine every single day. Okay, the yellow is the stuff that you actually have to do and record as far as making a video of yourself. For one, it's the same exact thing as last time. You have to record a new video of you playing through the routine with me as the model and me being your tempo, and then you using it as a match. You guys need to back up from the computer. It's getting really, really weird. Like you're starting to just completely remove your faces, or it's like off to the side and we can't see anything. The goal is for you and me to see your hands and make them better. So like if you need to record them exactly how I recorded myself. So get yourselves away from your phones or computers or whatever and be head face on, no more of this side stuff. You need to record it the way I record it. But you need the first thing is you need to record yourself playing with the routine, with the way I just said the video. Okay, the next thing. This is the new stuff for this week. These are the 5 exercises. The music I sent out to you guys, which is right here. But you got these 5 things. This tells you. You'll notice if hopefully you did notice, but I changed. These are all much shorter exercises than the previous ones. And they're all almost identical or really, really close to being identical to each other, so they shouldn't take you that long to learn them. And we're going to play them all. We're not going to have like a sequencing of things like we did in the previous one where you had edge, middle, center, and stuff like that. There will be less of that. But none of them are tricky except for maybe this one rhythmic-wise, but I'm going to put a video out that shows you how to do that. But, so you need to record them at 140 and 160 for a triplet diddle. That means triplet diddle. Record these 2 lines at 140 to 60. Then it says Bert and Ernie's triplets. There's Bert and Ernie's triplets. There, those 2 lines. I also put them in order of the order that it's in here, so it should cause less difficulty. But again, it says these tempos. The only one that I wrote or is this one. Some of you, this is going to be very easy. So I expect you to be in this 120 region, if not faster, but 120 is fine. For some of you, this is going to be really difficult because it's such a new concept. If that's the case, then do the slower tempo. That's why or is there. You must record yourself playing both tempos for these 4 things. Okay, so don't miss that. All right, now the other new thing, which is right here. It's a reminder of what we just did last week, but instead of it being a choice of tempo or a multitude of tempos, it's 1 or 2. So you'll notice now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You already did all of these assignments as far as you learned them, we've done them. Now I'm going to watch your progression every single week. So now you have to do decay at 90, do stick control at 90, doubles at 90, SSL at 152, and so forth. And then these smaller roll things at 2 different tempos. So you are recording all of these as well and sending to me. And then obviously you're going to be doing them in different videos, so put them in a playlist and then share the playlist with me or share the folder with me. Don't send me 8 links just for those. I just want 1 link, please. Okay? And then next week, there'll be these on here again with less tempos, and they'll probably be faster. These will be on here next week, but they will be less tempos and probably faster. And then you'll have a brand new assignment that will continue on these as well. So what we're doing is I'm adding more and more to what your actual audition is going to be, which will consist of all of this, and you'll get an entire sheet. Your audition will be like to record an entire sheet of paper, like this entire sheet of paper, and it will just have these listed, nothing else. And then you'll just go down, and you'll have to play it, and you're going to do it all in one video, which is going to be even cooler. Okay, so hopefully that helps you understand what this is. As soon as I hang up on this, I'm going to do the explainer videos for all of this, for actually every single one. I'm going to do the explainers first, and then I'll go ahead and chop through and give you all the tempos for them. I might have to play good old, if you look at that lovely little thumb there, as I cut the edge of my thumb off, I'll probably have to play traditional grip, but you should be submitting them as match grip unless you're going for snare line this year. Cool. That's all I got. Take care. Hope you guys are being safe. Please use the videos. I cannot stress enough how important it is to use them as a model of how to play, and then you're also using them to mirror yourself in real time to fix it. What I'm doing is what I need you to do. Deuces.